Hey everybody, Quesky here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a commutator. So a commutator is how you cycle around three pieces. And there's two types of commutators, edge commutators and corner commutators. So we'll show you a corner commutator. So when you need to do a commutator to solve a case, it should look something like this. Three pieces aren't solved. So first what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to find a piece that can be solved in one move. For example, this piece right here, it can be solved to here in one move. So usually it's easy to make your interchange move on the bottom layer. So in this case, my interchange is going to be this. So now what you're going to your interchange, it can't affect all three pieces. Otherwise, the commutator isn't going to work. So there's two methods. Interchange, solve the odd piece, or solve the odd piece and reverse the interchange. So in this case, I'm gonna do method 1 first as an example. So this one, we can solve it like that. And then what you're gonna do is with the other one, you're gonna bring it over into that spot in the right orientation, so that way the correct color is facing down, and then you're gonna undo both of those, so like that. And that's how you do a three-corner commutator. So three-corner commutators are pretty easy, but there's other ways you can do a three-corner commutator, obviously. So here's another three-corner commutator, and I'm going to show you method 2, which is solving the odd piece and reversing the interchange. So what we're going to do is our interchange is going to be this, because that solves, this piece right here. So obviously method 2 is to reverse it, to solve the odd piece while preserving everything in this layer. Remember, when you do your interchange, you have to, whatever your interchange is, when you solve the odd piece, you can't affect anything in that layer except for the spot it has to go into to solve itself. So method 2 is to solve the odd piece and then reverse the interchange. So this one right here, and we need to bring it over to here. So we can do that like this. After that, reverse the interchange, so like that, and then undo both of those. And now the corner commutator is solved. Alright, so I'm going to show you another type of commutator. Next, we have an edge commutator. So what you're going to do is, obviously, you're going to find an edge that can be solved in one move. So just like that. So I'm going to show you method 1. So we solve that piece into the right spot. After that, this is the odd piece, so we have to put it into that spot in the right orientation. So you can do that like that. Remember, if your interchange is an outer move, and you're doing a 3-edge commutator, to solve the odd piece, you have to use slice moves. And then after that, obviously, undo the rest, and now it's solved. So there are cases where your interchange can be a slice move. So I'm going to show you one of those cases. So we solve this piece over to there with our slice moves. And then after that, we bring this one over to there. And remember, we can't break anything in this M slice because we need to preserve all of it, because otherwise the commutator isn't going to work. So this is the odd piece, and you need to bring it into here. So you can do it like this. And then undo both of those. And now our cycle is done. Alright, now I'm going to show you method 2. So here we have another commutator scramble. What we're going to do is, this is the piece you're going to solve. But this is the odd piece. Our interchange is this, because that solves this piece right here. So we solve the odd piece, so put it in just like that. And then reverse the interchange, so like that. And then undo both of those. Now it's solved. Now that's not all you have to learn to do a commutator, because there are certain commutators that just can't work. Here's an example. So you can see all of these pieces have to go in each other's spot. Alright, so since they all have to go in each other's spot, we can just find an interchange, obviously. The only problem is that if we solve this piece to here, that would work as an interchange, except if you remember what I said at the start, our interchange can't affect all three pieces, or otherwise the commutator won't work. And we can't do it from here to here, because then it would be twisted the wrong way. So what we're going to do is we're going to do something called a conjugate commutator. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a setup move, and then after that, you can do a commutator and it'll be easier. So in this case, our setup move is going to be, R2, I guess. This one over here has to go over to here, if you remember. So we do that as our interchange. Bring this one into that spot, then undo, and then undo the conjugate setup move. Now, that algorithm is actually a PLL, and it's called AA perm. So, I hope you understand how commutators work now. I had fun making this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.